Yo, what's up guys, this is me Harry, and in this video I gonna unbox Boya BY-MM1 mic I buy from Amazon. If you're really interested to buy this mic, so you can also follow my link. I will provide you in the description box. So you can see here, this is some specifications, features and specifications. You can read here specifications and features in this microphone. So okay, so now let's gonna unbox. Okay, so now our box is open. So now wow, amazing. Here's some paperwork, how to use and something like this, specification, features and manual, control and etc, how to use and something like. You can also connect with your mobile phone, with your DSLR camera, and you can also connect with your video cam. So I just put here, and this is for holding the mic, and here is some pins to connect your mic with your mobile phone or with your camera anywhere you want. And here also the basic wire to connect your microphone and your mobile or the camera. You can see here is a basic microphone. You can see, so nice. So I just gonna enter this pin in the mic. So here, what's this? Yeah, here is a bag. You can put your microphone in the bag. You can carry out anywhere. Very simple and very handy. So I have, you can see here my mic is ready. So I connect with my DSLR camera. Sorry, I forget to adjust the, yeah, that's it. So now I'm ready. So I'm bring my camera. Yeah, here is my DSLR camera. I connect with my DSLR. So I remove this one and just connect here like this. So you can see, so here is the microphone port. Yeah, that's it. So our camera is ready for vlogging. You can use this camera if you're vlogging or making your video. So this is the best mic for your videos. You can also record videos, and anywhere you can record the video outside or in the room. The performance is really good of this microphone. If you're really interested to buy this microphone mic, Boya BY-MM1, so I will provide you the link in the description box. You can follow my link and just buy. So if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you like this video, please do not forget also to click on the like button.